Bitcoin has just rocketed past the $50,000 mark, sending shockwaves through the financial world and igniting a frenzy among investors.
Price of Bitcoin crossing back over the $48,000 level over the weekend, 1 month.
With Bitcoin trading at about $51,600 by noon Eastern. Earlier in the day, it briefly touched $52,000, a level not seen since December 2021.
I mean, this thing's going back to its all-time high. It's pretty much guaranteed at this.
This seismic shift begs the question, are we on the cusp of a crypto explosion like we've never seen before? With every passing moment, stories emerge of people whose lives have been transformed by early investments in crypto. Yet, as Bitcoin soars to these new heights, it prompts excitement and urgency among potential investors. Is this the last chance to hop on the crypto train before it's too late? As we stand on the brink of possibly the most exciting financial era, the buzz around cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, feels less like speculation and more like the dawn of a new economic frontier. Today, this video is going to take you through the dynamics of crypto, diving into what's causing this surge and exploring whether this is truly the last chance to ride the wave before it goes from being a trend to an established financial superpower. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies and stay ahead of the game.
And so that means that these ETFs sucked up 5% of the entire tradable supply of Bitcoin in 30 days.
The price of Bitcoin soars past $50,000, reaching a level not seen since 2021. The launch of several Bitcoin spot exchange-traded funds has triggered this uptick in demand. The leading digital currency has seen a significant boost in mainstream investor interest, which is responsible for this surge. As of this year, Bitcoin has experienced a remarkable 15% increase in value. This is primarily attributed to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's decision to reverse its long-standing policy and authorize several Bitcoin spot ETFs. This green light allows investors to engage with Bitcoin pricing through a regulated channel, ultimately contributing to the currency's remarkable growth.
Wall Street doesn't just like Bitcoin, they love Bitcoin. If you think of these assets, there's been over 5,500 ETF launches in history. Never have we had a fund get to $3 billion in AUM in the first 30 days. BlackRock and Fidelity both just did it. So two for the first time in history. And then if you look at Bitwise and 21 Shares, ARK, they're both going to hit $1 billion this year, or this week. And so now you have 4 funds that are going to hit $1 billion of inflows. But the most interesting part of this is the inflows. These funds are doing $500 million a day of net inflows. But there's only 900 Bitcoin that is actually coming into the daily incoming supply. And so when you look at that, that's like $40 to $45 million. There's 12.5x more demand for Bitcoin than what's being produced.
Numerous top-tier Wall Street entities, including BlackRock, the largest global asset management firm, have ventured into offering Bitcoin ETFs. Despite the high expectations for these launches, Bitcoin's value experienced a decline of around 15% right after the approval by the Securities and Exchange Commission. However, the currency's recent leap to $50,000, a value more than twice its level from the previous year, suggests that these ETFs could attract fresh capital. Analysts predict this could signal a promising shift for Bitcoin in the long term. This is despite the less-than-ideal debut of several Bitcoin ETFs, which now seem to be observing sustained investments into the newly launched funds. According to James Butterfill, head of research at CoinShares, there's a heightened interest in Bitcoin due to its organic appeal. After the initial surge of investments into recently launched Bitcoin ETFs and the asset reallocation from Grayscale Investments' converted product, these financial managers are now focusing on the longevity of Bitcoin ETF investments. CoinShares data reveals that the recently authorized Bitcoin ETFs have attracted approximately $3 billion in net funds, despite facing a withdrawal of over $6 billion from Grayscale's product. Cryptocurrency integration into the conventional financial sector is ongoing, sparking hope among issuers. They anticipate that mainstream investors will gradually designate a minor portion of their portfolios to products like Bitcoin ETFs and their usual investments in stocks and bonds. Tim Hoover, the managing director of the USCT services team at Brown Brothers Herman, believes that over time you'll notice a distinct allocation to this investment area as it gains a longer performance history. There's a growing interest and adoption in the specific area we've been discussing with clients. According to Kathy Chrissy, a senior alternatives ETF strategist with Invesco, the vital factor is recognizing the importance of not remaining stagnant. In partnership with Galaxy Digital, Invesco launched a Bitcoin ETF just last month. She suggests investors could begin by reallocating 1% of their equity exposure to Bitcoin. Analysts are finding the idea of moving from 0 to 1% a feasible option. The crypto sector's growth has also been fueled by the belief that it has weathered its most severe regulatory setbacks and scandals. It's worth noting that Binance, the world's leading exchange, paid a hefty $4.3 billion fine to U.S. authorities in November due to charges relating to money laundering and the breach of international sanctions. The excitement around Bitcoin is growing due to potential reductions in interest rates by central banks this year. This move could make riskier investments more appealing. In addition, the system that powers Bitcoin will reduce the supply of available Bitcoins in April 2023, a planned change that many believe will drive further increases in the cryptocurrency's value. However, some experts remain skeptical about Bitcoin's ability to maintain its recent positive trend. As Jim Engel from the Georgetown McDonough School of Business points out, it's difficult to determine the motivations behind Bitcoin purchases due to the opaque nature of its ecosystem. He asserts that Bitcoin's price is highly volatile, dependent on the balance of faithful buyers and skeptical sellers. He also noted that most online discussions around Bitcoin's worth focus on short-term technical analysis, with very little said about its intrinsic value. Bitcoin Mindtricks stands out among numerous cryptocurrencies, presenting a tempting investment opportunity for individuals seeking the next big thing in crypto. The crypto landscape is vast and overwhelming when pinpointing the ideal venture. However, the Bitcoin Mindtricks seems promising. Bitcoin Mindtricks isn't directly linked to the original Bitcoin project, but aims to simplify the intricate process of cryptocurrency mining. Mining Bitcoin typically involves substantial investment in advanced mining rigs, hardware, and other high-tech equipment, making it a playground mostly for big corporations. Bitcoin Mindtricks plans to revolutionize this by decentralizing cloud mining, opening up this potentially lucrative field to the average person. Meme Combat is also a high-potential meme cryptocurrency that could skyrocket in value soon. This is not your regular meme initiative that has little practical use. Meme Combat introduces a battle arena where users can engage, incentives for staking, and token rewards for active participants in the ecosystem. The Play and Earn Battlefield will commence its inaugural season following the end of the MK preliminary sale. This platform will enable users to place bets on live duels between meme coin characters using their MK tokens. The initial series will introduce 11 meme coin characters, including Pepe Coin and SpongeBob. So whether you're interested in the potential of Bitcoin ETFs or looking for new and exciting cryptocurrency investments like Bitcoin Mindtricks and Meme Combat, it's clear that the crypto market continues to evolve and offer a wide range of opportunities. As with any investment, always do your research and proceed with caution. But don't be afraid to explore this ever-changing landscape and see where it takes you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies and stay ahead of the game.